Are you on the hunt for a quick, easy, and delicious meal to whip up during the week? Well, we've got you covered. Today we're making a hearty one-pot pasta dish that's packed with protein and veggies. To get started, you'll need a tablespoon of olive oil, a pound of Italian sausage, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a can of crushed tomatoes, some chicken broth, dried oregano, dried basil, red pepper flakes, pasta, baby spinach, and Parmesan cheese. Gather these ingredients and your trusty pot, and we are ready to start cooking. With our ingredients ready, it's time to fire up the stove and start cooking. Let's begin by heating up a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over a medium flame. Once the oil is shimmering, we add our Italian sausage. You'll want to break up the sausage into crumbles with a spoon as it browns. Next, we'll toss in our diced onion and minced garlic. We'll let these sauté until they soften and release their fragrant aromas, which should take about 5 minutes. Now, it's time to stir in the crushed tomatoes, chicken broth, oregano, basil, and red pepper flakes. We'll bring this savory concoction to a boil, then reduce the heat to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Our next step is to add the pasta. Cook it until it's al dente, that perfect balance between tender and chewy. Once your pasta is cooked to al dente, stir in the spinach until wilted, then remove from heat. We're almost there. Let's add the final touches to our pasta. Stir in the Parmesan cheese, ensuring it melts into the sauce for a creamy finish. Season your dish with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can serve this dish immediately, piping hot from the pot. Add a sprinkle of extra Parmesan and a few fresh basil leaves for garnish if you like. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and delicious pasta dish that's perfect for any weeknight. This recipe not only saves you time but also provides a hearty meal packed with protein and veggies. Enjoy your cooking adventure!